In the middle of the noisy streets of Lagos Island stands a place built for music, culture, and elegance. Located in Onikan, Lagos Island, the MUSON Centre has become one of Nigeria's most respected cultural institutions. Established in 1983, MUSON, meaning the Musical Society of Nigeria, was created to promote music, art, and performance culture in the country. Over the years, this center has hosted orchestras, theater productions, concerts, conferences, and some of the finest cultural events in Nigeria. From the above, the MUSON Centre sits quietly in the cultural heart of Lagos, surrounded by history, government buildings, and some of the city's oldest landmarks. Its elegant architecture and peaceful environment makes it feel different from the fast pace of Lagos outside its gates. But MUSON is more than a beautiful building. It is one of the few places in Nigeria dedicated to preserving live music, theater, and performance arts. Inside this center, young musicians are trained professionally through MUSON School of Music, helping to shape the future of Nigerian music and performance. In a city known for Afrobeat, nightlife, and energy, MUSON offers something different, a quiet space where art, discipline, and creativity meet. The MUSON Centre is more than a venue. It is a symbol of culture, creativity, and artistic excellence in Nigeria. And in a rapidly changing Lagos, places like this reminds us that music and culture still matters. My name remains Chris. If you are new to my channel or you are just coming across my video for the first time, please endeavor to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And as you do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I make subsequent videos like this and many others, you will be one of the first to be notified. See you guys in my next episode. Bye bye.